Hello, dessert enthusiasts. Today, we're indulging our sweet tooth with the top 5 delicious dessert recipes that are simply irresistible. From creamy classics to innovative treats, these desserts are guaranteed to satisfy your cravings and leave you wanting more. Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth? Let's dive in. Number 1. Classic chocolate lava cake. Few desserts are as decadent and satisfying as a classic chocolate lava cake. With its rich, gooey center and moist cake exterior, this dessert is a chocolate lover's dream come true. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for the ultimate indulgence. Number 2. Homemade cheesecake with raspberry sauce. Creamy, tangy, and utterly irresistible, homemade cheesecake is a dessert masterpiece. Whether you prefer it plain or topped with a luscious raspberry sauce, this decadent treat is sure to impress. Plus, it's easier to make than you think. Number 3. Fresh fruit tart with vanilla pastry cream. Light, fruity, and bursting with flavor. A fresh fruit tart is the perfect dessert for any occasion. Start with a buttery pastry shell, fill it with velvety vanilla pastry cream, and top it with an array of vibrant fruits. It's a stunning dessert that tastes as good as it looks. Number 4. Decadent chocolate truffles. Rich, indulgent, and melt-in-your-mouth delicious. Homemade chocolate truffles are a true luxury. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create these bite-sized delights that are perfect for gifting or enjoying yourself. Get creative with coatings like cocoa powder, chopped nuts, or shredded coconut for an extra touch of decadence. Number 5. Warm apple crisp with vanilla ice cream. There's nothing quite like the comforting aroma of warm apple crisp fresh from the oven. Made with tender apples, cinnamon, and a buttery oat topping, this dessert is pure nostalgia in every bite. Serve it with a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream for a dessert that's as cozy as it is delicious. And there you have it, dessert lovers. Our top 5 delicious dessert recipes that you simply can't resist. Whether you're in the mood for chocolate, fruit, or something in between, these desserts are sure to satisfy your sweet cravings and leave you feeling delightfully indulged. Which recipe will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and happy baking!